Now, there are some derivatives of hexoses that exist. And these are just where we have added on some type of functional group after the cyclization of the ring. So the normal carbohydrate, the normal sugar has formed in its ring. And then a functional group derivation has then been added on, usually onto one of the OH groups, the chiral OH groups that exist on the ring. So you can see, for example, there's a large variety of these just for glucose alone. So if you take glucose, which is shown in the top left, and for example, you add on an NH2 group, it becomes glucosamine. It could also, for example, have a phosphate attached to it. So it could be glucose 6-phosphate. Now, there are other sugars. Galactose could have an amine on it, galactosamine. Mannose becomes manosamine. We have some sugars that lose an OH group. So instead, there's a CH3 there instead of their OH group. These are things like fructose and ramenose. We can also take that OH group that was formed and put back on a carbonyl, but now in the ring, which is a lactone. This is again a derivative of glucose that has this carbonyl here instead of its new chiral center, its new OH center. It has a reformed a carbonyl. So again, these are all different new types of derivatives that can form after the cyclization of our sugars. And depending on the type of derivative, these can be used, for example, for signaling. They can be used for energy. They can be used to help make structures in helping it to bond these sugars onto other things a little bit better for building and structural formation.